In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Google search history permanently using Android phone. It's a complete tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, let's say you haven't deleted your Google search history in a while. Maybe you think your Google app is slowing down or anything like that. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your Google folder, then go over to your Google application. Then from here on the top right, go ahead and click on your profile icon. You're going to see search history as one of the options, so go ahead and click on that. Now on the bottom, you're going to see delete. Go to that. And then you're going to see delete all time as one of the options. So all you want to do is click on delete all time. It's going to say ask you what you want to delete. Just have all products selected and then go ahead and press next. And basically it's going to delete everything. Of course, if you want to select a custom range as well, for example, like only a few months or a few days, you can select that too. But of course, if you want to delete all your history, this is how you do it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.